stay here until this thing passes and then turn right. If there's something you're looking in the right direction, that I'm gonna stand outside for a second.
Now Skycam.
We gotta be watching the sky now. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good idea. Aim my cameras at that, and then we can turn back this way after it passes. And look forward. Yeah. Then we can rotate and turn as it moves by. This is good.
Tornado report over the ground. 2 miles northeast near Macon, Mississippi, 5 minutes ago.
That's the second cell we're going to go after.
No, that's this one.
That was this our little okay.
Today.
That's it. We gotta be looking at it rotating. Roll down and talk to him. Tell him, ask him if he thinks we need to go back south some.
It's going to pass us this way.
I don't know.
Hey, Rick. If there's one, it's right over there.
It's gonna pass us to the south.
It's going to go right through here.
I really don't think it is. We're gonna be on the top side of it. I think we might need to go back that way. It recirculated. It dumped that top. It's rotating for sure.
It's sure nothing.
What do you want to do?
Yeah. That might be a tornado. It's starting to come into view. It's coming down to a point. That's a walkload of the possible
What do you
tornado.
want to do? Is that building open?
I say stay here. If we have to do anything, I'm going to just run over there and lay down. Do what?
There's a tornado reported on the ground just about 5 miles south of us.
I hear a roar. Y'all listen. Y'all hear the roar? Yeah, I think it is.
What do y'all want to do?
Stay here. It's too late to go anywhere.
We should be on the west side of it. We should be okay.
I think we'll be okay. Even if we weren't, there's nothing to do.
Store's open.
Except run over there.
Behind us, Mike.
You can really tell looking through this camera lens, it gives you more contrast, and it really looks like it's coming down to a point. I still hear that roar.
It's right there, guys. It's right there in front of us. Right in front.
Need to make a report probably. Yep. That's a tornado. Look at that. Look at that rising motion. about to make you follow it. Yeah. That is lowering. Oh yeah, look at that thing. I see a little finger. Whoa, hydroplane. I see a few little fingers there. It's
Start moving that way of us.
yeah, it's hard to keep up with.
Not like do about it until we get to this other road.
We are doing a good job following it though. It's moving up to our left and we're in trees, so we're gonna have a little break of seeing it. Slow down. Hopefully we can get around it.
Power line's down. Got a touchdown here.
Yeah. What highway are we on? Oh boy, we're stuck. The problem is, I'm gonna see if I can clear some stuff out by hand there.
No. Those power lines. Those don't-
Well, that's over there.
I know that.
I won't get near any power
Ask him
lines.
what he thinks. He's a-
If we wanted to, we could have made it that
We'll
way.
never catch it now. Maybe we'll fall that one in the way.
I was just thinking if we need to see the other one, that would be the way to go too. What road is this?
86 or something like that.
We're east of Pickens